Hey, this is JT, and I want to talk about the tutorial with the Jim Brandvik impression die. First thing you want to do is to nail the coin. You want to make sure that it's nice and hot. This is a copper coin, so you want to make sure it's hot. Um, and then I use a hard Delrin cone to start the pressing into the coin. I got these pieces from just urethane pieces and leather pieces from Jim Brandvik. You can check him out on IG. As you see, it's a lot of little leather pieces there, and that helps me to make sure that it's even pressure over the whole entire coin. I'm using a 6-ton press. It's called for, you have to use maybe a 12-ton or maybe a 20-ton press. As you see, the leather is still the place. I have to put a couple cranks. I try anywhere from 2 to 3 times in order to get it. But so far it's working. One more time, I put the leather around the coin. And remember, the leather goes into all of the empty spaces as the coin start to go deep into the impression die. And you see how the leather is now real smooth, and the skull is starting to go into the coin. There we go there. You're starting to see the eyes, the nose. So I put the pressure one more time into the coin, and you see more of the impression. So it's looking good. Okay, I've done 2 so far. I have an order of 3. I'm examining the coins, making sure the impression is real deep on both sides. If you like this, you can go to jtcoinrings.com and pick yourself up the coins, or I can make these coins, which are copper, into a necklace. And this is what I'm doing now. I'm using a small punch in order to punch a hole inside the coin, and I'll show you how clean it is. And I'll put a nice jump ring there, and I'll connect it to a copper necklace like so. Thank you so much, guys, for checking out the video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Take care, and I'll see you next video.